On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that you are not required to invest any money. You don't need any skills and you don't need any experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, because I'm going to show you an offer that has a high payout and a free traffic source that you can use to promote the offer so that you can be making money on CPA group for free without paying for anything. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of different CPA marketing networks that you can join. You can join CPA Lead, you can join Max Bounty, and any other platform that you want. In this case, I'm using CPA Group. CPA Group has a lot of offers available in many different countries. So if you create an account on CPA Group, you can get access to thousands of offers that you can promote to earn money from home. Now, once you have created your CPA Group accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on offer tools. Once you click on it, click on my offers so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on my offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to scroll down and then select any offer that you want to promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can select to promote. Any of these offers that you want, you can click on it to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. But CPA offers, they are geo-specific, so you have to check the country where the offer is allowed to be promoted before you promote it. You can promote CPA offers to anywhere that you want. Each of the offers has a specific location where it is allowed to be promoted, so you have to check the location where the offer is allowed before you promote it. You can see a whole lot of different offers. When you look at the flag, you can see United States. It means the offers are allowed to be promoted to people who live in the United States. So any of these offers that you select, you must promote it to people who live in the United States. If you promote it to people who live in a different country, once they click on your link, they are not going to get access to this same offer. So make sure you always check the location where the offer is allowed before you promote it. So as a score, you can see a whole lot of different offers. One good thing about CPA Group is that you can select any country that you want and then find offers that are available in that country so that you can promote them. So you can select any country that you want. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to select a country where you can get offers with high payout. As you can see on your screen, all these offers, the payout is very low. So when you promote them, you are not going to be earning a lot of money anytime you get a conversion. So we are going to search for a country where we can get offers with a higher payout. To search for a country, what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you can scroll and then select any country that you want. You can see a whole lot of different countries. As a scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. So you can select any country that you want and then promote offers that are allowed in that country. As you can see, a whole lot of them. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to search for Spain. So type Spain. So just type Spain. Once you type Spain, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you search for Spain, you are going to see a page like this. As a scroll, you can see these are offers that are available to be promoted to people who live in Spain. You can see this offer right here. You're going to be earning $1.02 per every lead that you get. You can see this one. You're going to be earning $8.21 per every lead that you get. As a scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see this offer right here. You're going to be earning $10.27 per every lead that you get. There are a lot of different offers with higher payout. So what you have to do is that you have to select the one that you want and then promote it. You can see this offer. You're going to be earning $17.11 per every lead that you get. You can see all the offers. The language is in Spanish. So what you have to do is that you have to translate them to English so that you can understand what the offers are about. So what you have to do is that you have to right click. Once you right click, you can see translate to English. Click on it so that everything will be translated. You can see everything has been translated to English. You can see this offer right here. Get your £300 H&M voucher now. That is the title of the offer. You can see a whole lot of them. Now you know what the offers are about, so you can find the best offer that you want to promote. When you come right here, you can see play the best games. When you promote this offer, your potential visitors are going to get access to the best games. Once they enter the pin code, they are going to get access to the best games, and you are going to pay $17.11. It is just simple as that. They don't need to purchase anything. All that they need to do is that they have to enter their mobile numbers. Once they enter the mobile numbers, a pin code will be sent to them. Once they get a pin code, they can enter it to get access to the best games. So we are going to be promoting this offer right here. Promote the offer, click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. See the description of the offer right here. This is an image of the offer. So when you are promoting it, you can use this image to promote the offer. Now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Spain to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that you can be paid. You can use free traffic source or you can use paid traffic source. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to promote the offer so that you can get a lot of people to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is clefs.es. I don't know how to pronounce it well because it is in Spanish. You can see clefs.ie. That is the name of the website. I will leave a link in the description so that you can click on it and then sign up for a free account. This website is a classified website that is based in Spain. So let me translate it for you to see. Let's select English so that you can see everything on the website. You can see it is a classified website. You can see right here, post free ads. It is a classified website in Spain that you can use to promote your affiliate link. As you can see on SimilarWeb, 88.22% of the traffic is coming from Spain. So you can see it right here. It means most of the visitors of the website are from Spain. You can see it right here. They understand Spanish. So when we promote our affiliate link on the website, we can get the right people to click on it and then enter the required details for us to make money. Now what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account so that you can post your ads for free without paying for anything. To sign up, click right here, sign up. Once you click on it, you can see you have to enter your username, enter your email address, accept the terms and conditions. Once that is done, if you want to receive newsletters, you can check on the box. Once that is done, you are going to click on register so that you can create your free accounts. If you don't want that method, you can simply click on the Google icon. Once you click on it, you can use your Gmail accounts to create a free account on this website. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Make sure you always translate it to English so that you can understand everything. You can see the translator here. I'm using Google Translate, so you can use Google Translate to always translate it from Spanish to English so that you understand everything. Now once that is done, you're going to click right here, post free ads. Click on it so that you can post your ads. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see choose a category to publish your free ad. You have to select the right category. In this case, the offer is a gaming offer. So what you have to do is that you have to select games. Once you select games, the next step is that you have to enter the title of your ad and then a description. To get a title for your ad, you are going to come back on CPA group. Once you come back, you have to translate the language from English to Spanish again because we are going to be promoting to people who understand Spanish, not English. So you have to click right here. Once you click on it, select detected language so that everything can be translated to Spanish again. Once you have the translation, highlight and copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to paste a description here. For the description, you can come back on CPA group and then copy this information as your description. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are also going to copy the warning. You can see it is allowed in Spain, so just highlight and copy the warning so that the people who will take the action will understand. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to paste it here. As you can see, that has been done, but you can see it is in English. So what we need to do is that you have to translate it. So search for Google Translate so that you can translate the language to Spanish. So search for Google Translate. Once you search for Google Translate, you're going to see a page like this. Click on this first website. Once you click on it, you are going to paste the text here. Once you paste the text here, what you have to do is that you have to select your preferred language that you want to translate it to. In this case, we want Spanish, so you have to search for Spanish so that you can translate everything to Spanish. Scroll down and then look for Spanish. You can see it right here, Spanish. Select it. As you can see, that has been done. Everything has been translated to Spanish. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy, so that you can copy the text. Once you copy it, you're going to come back, highlight this and then paste it right here so that the people understand. Paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to write a call to action here so that you can insert your affiliate link. So you have to come back on Google Translate. Once you come back, you have to type your call to action in English so that Google Translate will translate it to Spanish. So once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to copy and paste your affiliate link here. You have to come back on CPA group so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you come back, click on copy link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to search for any URL shortener that you want. In this case, I'm going to use short link. So search for shortlink.com, or you can use Catly, Bitly, or any of them that you want. So just click on the website. Once you open your URL shortener, what you have to do is that you have to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste it, click on shorten. Once you click on shorten, the link is going to shorten. You can see it has been shortened. Click right here, copy, so that you can copy your shortened URL. Once you copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you're going to scroll down. You can see location, all provinces. We are targeting all regions in Spain, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see price. It is free, so just enter 0 here. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see upload a new photo, so you have to upload an image of the offer. To get an image of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group, put your pointer on the offer image, right click. Once you right click, select save image as, so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you save the image, you're going to click right here, upload a new photo. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, it is loading. It has been uploaded. Once that is done, if you want, you can add another image, but in this case we are going to be using one image. Once that is done, you can see right here, insert the URL of the YouTube video. If you have a YouTube video of the offer that you want to promote, you can paste it right here, but in this case we don't have any YouTube URL, so you have to skip it. Once that is done, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see telephone. It is optional. Once that is done, accept the terms and conditions. Once that is done, select right here, I'm not a robot. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to click right here, post ad. Once you click on it, your ad has been posted. Let me translate it for you to see. So let me click right here and then translate to English for you to see. You can see ad created successfully. Your ad has been created successfully. They are going to moderate it. Once it is moderated, it will be live on the platform and you are going to be getting traffic to your applet link. You can see you can create another ad. So what you have to do is that you have to go back and then select a different offer, post it onto the website. Keep on posting different offers onto the website so that you can get a lot of traffic and conversions. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.